Hi, good morning. Let me start with Namaste. We, Universal Logistics, we are the company started with Dubai operations in 2009. Then we have started our office in Hong Kong 2012. Further, we have developed our own office in Miami, that in November 2017. Let me introduce myself. My name is Amit Gunantrai Pandit. I am the General Manager of Dubai Operations. My colleague,
Myself,
yes please.
myself Vishal Joshi. I am an operation manager in Universal Logistics.
Right. And our group director is Mr. Ravi Jagdish Chandra Tolia. Unfortunately, he is traveling right now. Basically, he is the main face of our company. Universal Logistics is a professional logistics company providing custom clearance, warehousing, and further export of electronics high value goods. Well, we started 2020 in a very promising note. Then this pandemic started. We started getting news of this pandemic from our Hong Kong office from January. Yes, from January we started getting the news that something is coming up. We tried to get ready for that, but such type of pandemic, it's very difficult to understand. Initially, the period was very tough for all of us. We have started reducing our operational staff in March and April, where we have got two shifts. Basically, we work in two shifts from morning 7:30 till 11 in the evening. So instead of two shifts, we have reduced our staff to 50%. Like we have made an arrangement that alternate days 50% of the staff comes to the office and warehouse to do the operational part and to handle the ongoing shipments. Then from July and August, we have started our operations in full-fledged again. And business, we have seen much growth in business due to the online activities. We have got number of shipments. We are the main logistics partners for big distributors of Samsung, Nokia, and Realme, Xiaomi. So they have got ongoing movement and their shipments regularly comes to Dubai. So we are handling their shipments like clearance from airport, custom documentation, and then further we bring to our warehouse. Once consignment comes to our warehouse, we do the checking of the goods, distribution of the goods as per the requirement of clients. We have seen the increase in volume from October onwards. October, November, and even December, we have seen higher volumes of export cargo from Dubai. We are looking forward for 2021, and we can see when something goes down, there is an always chance of going upward again. So we are looking at more opportunities and more business in 2021. So far as our Universal team is concerned, we say our staff is our assets. We have selected each staff with what I can say, like we treat each staff as a family member. I always tell my staff that the way we are working, we are spending more time with each other rather than spending time with our family members. Here, each staff give 100% of their efforts. We always consider that we have to give our best shot Rest we have to leave it what it comes to us. We are always there to assist our client. That way Universal has created their own name to give best of the services within. We are in this industry since 2003. We have started our operations in 2009. So basically, most of our clients are working with us since 2003. We give best of the services, confidentiality and security of the goods. We have got clients who are working with us since 2003.
Yes.
And the most important part of Universal Logistics is the trust factor. Client always trust us that once goods are with Universal Logistics, all the information will remain within Universal Logistics. And once supplier give us the further information, then only we will pass it same information to their clients. Well, we are always running short of time. Like mobile phone industry works like in morning we don't have any further planning for the day. Suddenly client has got a deal and they give us very short notice. In that short notice we have to arrange for further connection of flight, destination, custom documentation and all part. So it's always stress. Stress, I can say, slowly we have started enjoying this stress. And we always feel happy whenever the things get done within the time given by the client and the formalities for the export as well. Yes, many times we face difficult time with client as well as the customs as well as the airline and the authorities. But it all comes with the experience. With experience we know how to handle such situation and to get things done. Well, I would like to share one very important date for Universal Logistics. Our Dubai operations started on 14th November 2009. Then we have started our operations in Hong Kong and it was again 14th of November 2012. Again we have planned the same thing for our Miami office. Our Miami office operations started on 14th of November 2017. And the speciality of that date is birthday of our director Mr. Ravi Toli. And I would like to add that I was the person who has handled first shipment in Dubai office, Hong Kong office as well as Miami office. I was present at receiving the shipment for Hong Kong, Miami as well as Dubai. We would like to say special thanks to Mr. Sam of Z Empire. Basically, he is like, once he was trader and now he is handling so many different things. So he is like a bridge between the traders and the logistics companies. Like Mr. Sam is aware what exactly traders require from logistics company and he also understands what difficulties logistics company face while handling the movement of the client. Special thanks to Mr. Sam. Thank you very much for your support. Universal team!